a vlog today. So, nandito na tayo sa Ortigas. Tapos, I have 2 meetings today. Tapos, nito, I have an online class at 6 p.m. Kasi na-move, na-reschedule yung online class ko because of my professor's errands. Parang meron siyang So, today and then Saturday class online tayo. Let's go! Okay, dito na tayo sa office. Tapos, magpa-park lang tayo. That's our office building. Okay, so on time tayo sa office. Nakarating at 7:30. Parang ang sarap-sarap ng sleep ko tonight. Try drinking magnesium glycinate before sleeping. Hindi naman siya melatonin, pero parang yung effect niya milder, ganun. What a week. Sobrang isa to sa mga week na pagod ako. And then syempre baon natin. Ano bang nadala ko? Parang yung ulam namin kagabi. So hindi pa rin nauubos ang cake. Tapos I have here yung ulam namin kagabi na menudo and my red rice. Let's go to work. Parang 9 a.m. yung first meeting namin. Tapos halos half day yun. And then I have a 3:30 meeting sa BGC. After nun, may online class ako at 6 p.m. So sana makarating ako ng maaga sa bahay. So let's go. Here in Crown Plaza, kasi wala na akong mahanap na place para mag-online class ako. Ang ingay sa mall and sa coffee shop. So I just decided to stay here. Natapos yung meeting ko ng 5:30. So currently naka-log in tayo sa Civpro 2 Plus. So it's almost 8 p.m. So meron pang 1.5 hour. And after nito, uwi na ako because tomorrow wala naman kaming class. Kinancel din ng professor. So time to rest and study yun. Magpa-order ako ng extra mango tapioca and yun lang naman. Naubos ko na yung dim sum ko, so yan, doon yung isa.
Yeah. Can he appeal? Can that move on? Appeal?
No, Judge, because
Thank you. We're done for today's class. Survive the day. Let's go home. Bye. Okay, dito na tayo sa parking. Parang maaga kaming natapos, mga 9. Parang napagalitan pa nga ako because so I'm done with the recit. Tapos nag-off cam ako kasi nag-CR ako. Sobrang nag-CR na talaga ako. If you're a working law student, you know by now that if the class starts at 6 p.m. and your work ends around 5 or 4, madalas niyan wala ka na talagang kain. So kanina habang nagpa-break siya, kumakain ako ng mabilisan. Pero hindi pa ako nagsi-CR simula nang umupo ako doon. And tagal nung meeting ko bago ko pumunta doon. Pagbalik ko, tinawag ako. So nag-on cam ako agad. Pagka-on cam ko, sabi nung prof ko, tulungan ko daw yung kaklase ko nagre-recit. And unfortunately, syempre nag-CR nga ako. I don't know the question. I don't know who's taking the recit. Who should I help? Tapos parang it's about the question of law. Ganyan. I hate remedial law. Kasi ang hirap niya talagang imaginein. Kahit na nag-visit na kami twice sa court, hindi ko siya ganun kabilis nag-grasp. Tapos sabi nung asawa ko, mas madali kapag nasa practice ka na kasi ganito lang yan kabilis, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Pero if you're just reading it in theory, hindi siya madali talagang intindihin kasi mahirap mag-imagine. So, parang sabi ko, so, parang nagalit na siya. Gosh, but yeah. Anyway, tas ano na yun parang 40 minutes before yung end ng ano namin, na inask niya akong tulungan yung classmate namin na nagre-wrestle. But anyway, let's call it a day. And we're home. Today, gagawin ko assignment namin sa PIL. Tapos, I have my, ayan, rules of court. This is gonna be a very, very, very boring vlog. So, ayan. This is my work desk dito sa bahay. Ito yung desk ko. Andyan yung mga notes ko, yung previous years. Andito yung iba sa clear book. And ayan, madumi to. Ayan siya. And then ito yung bookshelf ko for the current books selection. Tapos ito yung naman yung sa partner ko. Wala pa kami nabibiling table niya. So yan lang muna. Katabi lang. See the difference? I just need to finish my assignment for PIL. Due siya for Friday presentation. I don't have class today. It's 12 midnight and I have 4 cases na kailangan kong i-digest. But this one's so lengthy. Tapos tomorrow is a holiday. So wala kaming pasok sa work and wala rin akong class, fortunately. But I have to study for Civ Pro 2. Ang midterms namin is from Rule 40 to Rule 61. So, yan ang aaralin natin bukas. I'll start with Rule 43 kasi yung na-take namin until Rule 45. Pero parang hindi ako masyadong focus during the time that I was reviewing for it. So, I'll start with Rule 43. So, the whole day yun. Tapos, kailangan ko lang tapusin ito. Last week, sobrang hectic ng work ko and school. So, for this week, it's pretty chill. So, I'll do my readings tonight for PIL and then tomorrow, Civ Pro 2. So, yeah. Kailangan ko matapos. I think I'll do a stretch lang up to 2 a.m. It's 12 midnight. So, I'll try to finish and accomplish everything para bukas mag-Civ Pro 2 na lang ako. This is what we need to digest. 4 lang yan, pero grabe, sobrang dami. So, nandito pa lang ako. 1/4. Dami. See that? Kita niyo itong cursor na to? Ang haba pa niyan. One. Ito, 44 pages. And then ito, boosh, dami. And ito. Tax issue ruling para lang sa highlights, para lang may notes tayo. I'm also reading the summary. Gosh, anong oras na? Time check. It's 1:16 and sabi ko hanggang 2 a.m. lang ako pero baka mag 3 a.m. ako kasi I wanted to finish everything tonight. If you are planning to enter law school, expect na laging ganito. Madaming babasahin and you have to prepare yourself. In my case, I really like reading a lot mahilig talaga ako magbasa. Bookworm talaga ako ever since, kaya sobrang nilabo ng mata ko. So, ang advantage sa akin, mabilis ako magbasa. Mabilis ako mag-skim, basta mabilis ko siyang maintindihan. And sa iba, they will have to read ng paulit-ulit, and that's also fine. Ako lang, yun lang yung pinaka nakikita kong strength. I'm not good with memorization. I don't have I don't have the time and luxury like the full-time regular student. I am a working law student, so I need to study smart. So, ganun yung way ko. Kapag ganito kahaba, I usually read some of the summary abstract that you can see, but don't ever forget to still read through the important or salient provisions, even yung mga importante dito na details, para lang maintindihan mo, and always related dun sa topic. Kailangan mag-grasp mo yon and ma-connect mo, kasi in one case, sometimes there are other issues, constitutional, procedural, yung rights ng tao, depende dun sa subject. Dapat dun ka lang nakatuon. Like say for example, for this subject, these are cases outside the Philippines. So, you know for a fact na ang gusto lang ditong gawin ng professor is for you to relate doon sa Philippine setting. So, kuha ka lang doon ng bits and pieces. But still, yung gist or kabuuan nung case or nung abstract, kailangan mong maintindihan before you jump to the next. So, basta yon makuha mo na, maintindihan mo, okay ka na, you can proceed. And then, there are also cases din na landmark cases. So, if it's a landmark case, yun, kung pwede mong ulit-ulitin yung basahin, gawin mo. Kasi, it will really help you sa bar exam. So, yun yung lagi sa akin sinasabi ng partner ko. Pag landmark cases, dapat basahin mo talaga yan. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na porket hindi landmark cases, di na natin babasahin. Babasahin pa rin natin yan. But, may diskarte. Kumbaga, may strategy ka on how you'll do it or how you'll finish it. Kasi, may professor ako nagsabi na madami daw cases kung paano sumulat yung mga ponente, na ang daming obiter. Ang daming mga sinasabi, ganyan. And I agree. Especially if you read some cases na ginawa. Tapos, the way some of the ponente dun sa cases na mga nabasa ko. Syempre, may mga lengthy talaga, may mga palabok pa, but of course, still, you have to read it, you have to go through it, that's what you signed up for. In my case, I just really love to read and mabilis ako magbasa. Yun yung strength ko. Sometimes, pag natatawag ako sa case, minsan kapag nabasa ko yung kahit nga yung digest kaya ko siyang ikwento, and that's why sometimes nairaraos ko din, but not all the time, kasi ang hirap din talaga ng recit, lalo na kapag concepts. Pag naman cases, pag di mo talaga na nakuha agad-agad yung main topic, papatayuin ka lang talaga. But yeah, I think for the most part, it worked for me. Nairaraos ko naman yung recits ko. So yeah, that's what I do. Okay, diretso na tayo ngayon sa pag-aaral na chika na naman tayo niyan. Vlog here. I'm so tired. I finished one case. I still have 3, but I don't know if I can still function. So I think that's it for now. I'll be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll be uploading more weekly contents about law school and work. So please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye!